Hello everyone, this is Rakib Hussain in front of you. I am a student at Bangla College Department of Management, and right now I would like to share with you my one plan, because after few days we decided to go to the mangrove forest of Bangladesh. So with three friends in this room we decided this to go to the visit, because how today I will discuss with you how important visit the place of natural beauty, because whenever you feel very upset or frustration, you can go outside to enjoy the natural beauties. Because some people have in their long time stay in their room, so by having in this room all time, that time he feel very boring, because he don't discuss with his other, he doesn't meet with people. And whenever he will go outside, they can able to meet with lots of people, and they can have conversation with people. That time he will be very happy, and he can able to reduce his frustration by talking with his other. So visit new place is important, and having lots of time with friends, because it's have more time by meeting with friends, because friends will discuss lots of topic to each other. So, and also if you become a English learner, if you go visit, because to describe the natural beauties in your area, and whenever you will go outside, if you explain the natural beauties, it also not only improve your fluency but also gain lots of general knowledge. So I think visit is crucial for you, and if you practice more in English, and so you will practice regularly.